Hey everyone, I am very excited. This is literally my very first unboxing video. I am here in my studio and I am actually recording this on my DJI Osmo 3, my front camera, and my side camera or product camera is being recorded on my Sony ZV-1. The audio is being captured on the DJI microphone, which comes with the creator kit. I will post all those links in the video and everything that you see here in the background. I'm so excited. I love doing things for the first time. So like, this is me being new. And yeah. This came in the mail, ordered it on Amazon. It came in 2 days. My daughter was away with her dad, and so she wanted to come home early, but I lied and, well, I told a fib, and I said it's not coming until like 2 days so that she doesn't like spend half her time on this thing. I have to monitor that. That's something I'm gonna do. All right, so we have the MetaQuest 2, comes in this box. It came in a big box on Amazon. I am going to open it with my scissors right now. Here we go. Okay. It comes in a plastic paper. Well, not plastic paper, plastic wrap. All right, making a mess, putting it on the floor. Let's see how we open it up. It looks like you slide it here. All right. Oh my God, I love my unboxing video. This is so cool. This is the brown box that it comes in. Let me open it up for you to see. Voila! Woohoo! Look at that. I'm gonna show that to my product cam, and I'm gonna show this to you guys. All right, this is the MetaQuest 2. I'm really excited for my daughter. I'm kind of excited for me. It comes with 2 handles. I guess this is left and right, okay? Or maybe I'm wrong, sorry. I really don't know how to play video games. I will learn, I look like an idiot. I have no idea. Anyway, these are the tools, the handheld tools. Let's take out this. This is probably the VR system here. Okay, I'm literally gonna unbox every single thing. This says Quest silicone tube cover. Okay, there's the silicone tube cover. If you're asking why I have green nails, it was just St. Patty's Day. I don't know when you're watching this, but this looks like the silicone cover. So I would imagine it is for this, says glasses spacer. So I think this glasses spacer is for people who wear glasses so that your glasses are not rubbing up against the actual lens. So let me take this off the strap. This is labeled too. It says, move lenses left or right to find the clearest view. Oh, you actually can move. It says move the lenses left or right to find the clearest view. I guess I'll have to do that. See I don't know if you can see the label here. I'll take a picture and I'll insert it for you guys. But for this unboxing, I'm gonna take all the paper out. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I gotta fit into my head. Here's the inside, what it looks like. Obviously the lenses are covered with a lens cover. No sunlight on lenses. There you go. No liquid cleaners. No sunlight on lenses, no liquid cleaners. Okay, so don't do those 2 things. I gotta remember that. No sunlight, no liquid cleaners. Wow. Okay, so I remember seeing a review, what's the difference between MetaQuest 2 and MetaQuest 3? They said you can see in the lenses, like kind of the ribbing or what looks like the circular stuff in the glass. I forget the technology of that, I'll try to remember. I don't know, so I'm gonna put this back here. Try not to screw things up here. Already I got the wrong handle in the wrong, okay, there we go. Face up. Kind of back in the original box. Now let's see what's in this guy here. Let's open it up. Oh, MetaQuest 2. This almost feels like an Apple product. It's Meta, though. All right, so this looks like the charger. Let me just see where the port is for this. Oh, it's, I have no idea. Oh, there's another piece of paper. Oh, there's another piece of paper here. Let me take this off. All right, so this looks like a power button maybe. There's a plus and minus button. I would imagine that is the sound or something. And there's the power bar. It is on the left-hand side of the head. This is the power bar that goes on the left-hand side. That's what this is. And then what else is here? There's the cube for that power bar, okay? The cube. That seems to be the only thing. There are instructions. I'm never gonna read these. So I'll just watch it on YouTube. Quick start. Number one, oh, you gotta pull out the tabs on the gaming pieces. See this? Pull out the tabs. I can do that now. Ooh. Pull. Ugh. Does that have to go out? I think, oh, okay. That's kind of hard to pull. Okay, and then this is the strap, and it's adjustable, so it'll fit in my hand. I think, this is so weird. I don't even know how to put this on. I'm a boomer. My kids will call me a boomer right now. I have no clue. All right, let's do this part. This is probably the most disorganized unboxing that you've ever seen, but that's just me. Here we go. Oh, left. Hello, it's labeled for boomers like me. Left. So left is like this, my left hand. Okay. Look, I'm a gamer. Now, pull this out. Ugh, that was hard. But I think, look, I can put it here now, and now this is adjustable. Okay. Woo, adjustable. Pew, pew. I don't know what I'm playing. Pretend video games. All right, what else is there? So I learned that much from the lens adjustment. Lenses have 3 positions. Move lenses left or right to find the clearest view. Care and cleaning. Don't expose to sunlight. Clean with microfiber cloth. Never use strong solvents or alcohol cleaner. Note to Filipino parents, don't do that. My parents will never, well, my mom will never touch this. Okay, so number 1 is the action button. There's instructions here. 1 is action. 2 is thumbstick. Where's number 2? Oh, the thumbstick. Look, that's why. That's why it's on the left, because you gotta move it with your thumbstick. 3 is the menu button. I guess, oh, right here, menu, perfect. 4 is the trigger. That's pretty self-explanatory. 5 is the grip button. Wait, 4 is the trigger. Where's the trigger? X, I guess. 5 is the grip button. 6 is the battery cover. Oh, there's a battery, I guess. 6 is the battery cover. 7 is the wrist strap. 8 is the thumb reset. Thumb reset, I guess, over here. And number 9 is the Oculus button. Oh, an Oculus button. Is it on this hand? Oh, there's an Oculus button here, and it's on the right grip. It's actually on the right grip. Number 9 is the Oculus button on the right grip. You can kind of see it in dark. And let me just see about these adjustable moving lenses kind of thing. Hold on, let me see. There's a number 2 in here. Okay. Is it gonna move? I have long nails. So I can't seem to move it, but that's probably because I have no idea how. So I can't seem to move this thing. This is how a person who has never done video games would operate this thing. How can it move? Oh, it goes left and right. So is there another button to make it not unstuck? Okay, literally, I can't move it. I want to do this so you understand it, but I don't really want to touch the lens. Okay, so in this unboxing failed demonstration, I can't move these lenses left and right. I'll ask my producer, Maricel. All right, so hold on. Let me check now. Okay, so number 1, number 2. 2 is the on-off button, which is on the right-hand side. I can adjust the straps. I'm not gonna do the straps because the thing is, this is like white and I'm wearing makeup, so I don't really wanna dirty it. What's in the box? Quest 2 headset, Quest 2 touch controllers, a power adapter, charging cable, glass spacers, 2 AA batteries, reference guide. Okay, apparently there's 2 AA batteries in the box, so it must be in here, but I can't really see where the batteries are. I guess, and it says this is the battery cover. Ah, here it is. Look, I have long nails, as I said, so I can't really even, I'm gonna keep this left and right on because I'll need it. Literally, I will need it. Oh, looks like I pulled down. See, there's that little thing that says pull down to get the battery, but I just, like, I'm having a hard time here. Nope, can't pull down, but I'm assuming there's a battery in here and there's a battery in here. Okay, so when I do it later, I will insert it. And let me just take everything out of the box now so you can see. There's an empty box. Do you guys keep boxes? Put it in the comments below. Let me see if there's a surprise here. Willy Wonka chocolate bar? No. There is no Willy Wonka chocolate bar. I wish there was. There it is. There is the unboxing, right, of this MetaQuest 2. My next review, I will tell you how it works. That'll be something to film. You're gonna definitely wanna come back for that. So, hope you liked my video. It took 12 minutes. Should have probably took me 3 minutes. But if you stayed till the end, thank you. Alrighty guys, for more unboxing, stay tuned and hope you like this video.